Hey, Pips be upon you. Hope you had a great weekend. Look, I'm looking at Euro Japanese yen, and it's doing something very interesting. It just hit a double top, okay, on the 4 hour time frame. I want you to notice something. First thing is that it hit a double top, but it hit a double top in an uptrend. All right, that's why I have that yellow line there. All right, it's hit a double top in an uptrend. That's not very compelling for me. All right, just on face value, I just don't, in an uptrend. If I see a triple top, then it really grabs my attention. The double top in an uptrend, not so much. It's not used. I would have to take it. I would only short this if I get a bunch of other confirmations or confluences or something. Okay, now I want you to notice that blue uh, uh, field I have here. The big one here, all right, the big one is a 4 hour supply zone, all right? And we see that price is invaded, all right? I wanted to refine that 4 hour supply zone by going down to the 1 hour and finding the 1 hour supply zone embedded in the 4 hour. And here it is. I have it marked here, all right? And you can see prices tapped that and giving me this wick thus far. Now, I want you to see that my logic for pointing this out is, one, it's a double top, and that's very interesting. But if you look here, look how price came up, made this supply zone, all right, and then shot down aggressively. That's Look how far it went. All right, I want to see that happen. Excuse me, I did it again. I want to see that happen over here. I want to see it hit this trend line. Now, uh, so when you see I'm sorry, I lost my thought. When you see a supply zone with a reaction like this, you know that there are resting sell orders in this. I was going to call it an ICT block. All right, but it's a supply zone, and you know that there are resting orders there. All right, and we're tapping back into that. Now, I would not be surprised if price breaks above, retests this high, this level, and then continues up. I would not be surprised in that at all. All right. However, this is a double top, and because of that violent, that aggressive reaction, I'm thinking that we're going to have some kind of pullback here. Okay. Now, I want to bring your attention to something else. This is the COP report. Okay. All right. Commitment of traders. You should be familiar with this. All right. And I want you to notice the shorts and the longs by the non-commercial guys. These are the institutional investors, okay? Big institutions, all right? And you want to see that under the column of shorts, they have added 18,846 contracts, okay? This is the total contracts they have short. This is the total contracts that they have long. They have only closed 737 longs. They're getting more shorts. So what does that tell them? Well, kind of says there's a chance. There's a chance that price will drop. All right. And you have to use your best judgment on taking a short here. This would be a counter trend trade. I'm not in a whole lot of counter trend trades, especially when it comes to swings. All right. But a trade here would look something like this here. A little bit above the supply zone. And I would take it down to the trend line here. All right. Now, what does that mean numbers wise? I think right here, Yeah, right here would be a good TP. All right. Let me see something here. Let me take a look. Hold on now. Don't go too fast. All right. All right. This might get a little hezzy move here. All right. So have this as a TP. All right. But yeah, that might be a good move, a good area to uh, take some profit and be careful. All right. And your ultimate goal would be down here. A trade would look like this. And that's a lot. That's a lot of pips. But I keep in mind, this is a lot of pips. 153. Oh man. Yeah, 153. All right, that's a good amount of pips. But I want you to be careful here because it's counter trend. You trade with the trend, and that'll always be your friend. Now, if you were so inclined to wait and be patient, these levels are where price would probably resume the uptrend. All right. So here, here, hitting the doggone trend line. All right. Or coming down this far. You know, I think that would probably be more of a stretch for sure. All right, that would be more of a stretch for sure. But use your fibs from the swing high to the swing low, and you can see we have a little bit of confluence. If I can just find what I want. All right, we got a little bit of confluence here because of the trend line and the Fibonacci level of 618, the golden ratio. All right, and this the alignment with some kind of structure. We have some structure here. It's not the cleanest of levels. All right, where we have the most is here, and I would venture to say the 318, between the 318 and the 50 is probably where we're going to get rejection. You see how prices here, here, here. All right, that looks along the line of the 318. So this would probably be the one I favor if it rejects here. If it doesn't, it's going to go up to the top and over. But I would think that here would not be a bad pullback, or to if it doesn't, if we don't get the bullish formations and patterns there, we'll start looking for it over here at the 618. All right, that's my idea. Give me a comment. Let me know if you like it or not. You know, give me a thumbs up if you like my effort and you want to see more free content.